In the world of graphic design and print on demand, removing backgrounds from images is a very common but very often tedious task. That is why I want to share with you a tool that promises to make this process easier and more efficient. The tool in question is Clipdrop, a platform that offers a range of AI tools, including one of the best free background removal available. And here is a breakdown of what you need to know about this game-changing tool. Clipdrop is a platform that offers a variety of AI tools designed to assist in various tasks, from image generation to background removal. In fact, Clipdrop and Leonardo are my go-to AI image generators that I currently use. Leonardo offers more fine-tuned models for generating diverse images, while Clipdrop is faster and comes with Stable Diffusion XL, an incredible AI image model. And that is one of the reasons why I have a paid subscription to Clipdrop. At just $7 per month, this money is well invested. You should also understand that Clipdrop is not only an AI image generator, it is a platform full of tools that can help you edit your images. You have access to a text removal, an uncrop tool for resizing images, a relight feature, a background replacer, and of course a background removal tool. A cool fact about this platform is that the most of the tools are free to use with a daily limitation. For example, when it comes to background removal, you can use it to up to 1000 times a day, and it can handle even bigger images. So now let's talk about how you can use this tool. To get started, visit the Clipdrop website and scroll down to find the background removal tool. Click on it to access the feature. In the next step, you need to drag and drop the image you want to edit into the tool. It is even possible to upload up to 10 images at the same time, and Clipdrop will efficiently remove the background, resulting in a clean and transparent image. And the last step is, of course, to download the edited image by clicking the download button in the top right corner of the screen. This is how easy it is to remove the background with this tool. In my opinion, this tool is incredibly versatile and can handle a wide range of complexities. Whether you are working with simple graphics or intricate illustrations, the tool delivers impressive results. However, it is worth noting that the tool isn't perfect. For instance, it may struggle with complex details like hair or leaves. But what I like about this tool is that it can handle even larger images, and you can download the image in the same dimensions you have uploaded. For me, Clipdrop background removal is a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your graphic design and print-on-demand workflow. While it has some limitations, its versatility and ease of use make it a valuable asset for everyone in the field. But what is most important, this tool is still free to use. So I hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to use the comment section, and I will do my best to provide a reply.